In this video of our Facebook ads course, today you are going to learn how to create a custom audience directly here on the Facebook of your own offline data. Suppose if you have a business where you have a lot of customers or you have a lot of data from people who aren't customers yet, but that data is useful and could be used to convert them into customers. Or if you've purchased such data, right? Or you can put the data which you are getting from your lead forms into that format, as well as you can target them with that same data. All right. So how can we actually go about creating this valuable customer list from our data of the offline data, or maybe of our own personal data, right? And then we can target these people, show them ads, and then also do remarketing. Or we can create similar audience which are called lookalike audience. So now I will teach you how to create a custom audience list step by step. All right. This is very important, so learn it well. Now, as you can see on my screen, this is my Facebook page. So if I click here, so I will go into business suite. Now to run our ads, I'll have to go to all tools here and then click on adverts manager. And in the adverts manager, I will choose my business portfolio account. And for whichever ad account I use to run ads, I will be redirected straight to its dashboard. So here I've chosen this. I'll click on add account. Now we are on our dashboard where we will start our work. Here you'll get the option of all tools and option of audiences at top. We'll click here. And after clicking here, you can clearly see inside that we have already created multiple types of audience lists, right? So look here, you see the custom audience option. We'll click it. Now we'll go in your sources because it's our data. Click on customer list. Then click next. Now here, what is this? Means in which format we need data. So we can download that format from here. Import from MailChimp. So if you use software of MailChimp, it's a popular software and the whole course of MailChimp. From basic to advanced level with automation and AI, it's available on our channel. You can easily learn complete MailChimp email marketing. So, which is the automation and AI, you can learn all of that. Is that clear? It's all available for free. Now here, friends, these are different formats and they have shown examples of them, but we'll download file from here. I've downloaded the file. So over here, the file that we have got, so basically it has come in CSV format because this is my system. It's a Mac system, means I'm using an Apple device. If it was in Windows, then it would have opened in Excel format. It would have opened properly here. But now I will import this into Google Sheets, and it is a very simple method. As you can see that it is downloaded here, right? Now there is a very simple method. Here we need to go to Google Sheets, and in Google Sheets you will get an import option available here. Okay, the import option, so just import the file you have downloaded here. The data will open up like this. Okay, it is very simple. Now give a name to the file, for example, FBCSV file. Now the format is in front of you. This means Facebook is now telling you that fields like email, phone numbers. Okay, then there are addresses and also the cities. Or it may be the zip codes, country, date of birth, and there are a lot of other data like that. So you're having this data, but it's not necessary that you'll have all data of any customer. If you only have email ID, phone number and name, that's perfectly fine. Or if it's only email, then there's no issue. Just enter that data properly into this format. Okay. Give the name to the file and then save the file. Okay. And after that, the data that you will get here, right? So once you get the file ready, just click next. Here under upload file, we will click on choose file from your device. Then come here and just upload it. Now look here, my file has appeared and it says supported formats are CSV or TXT files. Does your file include a column for customer value? If not, then select no, just leave it as no. The audience name is coming here. If you want to change the name, you can give the name to audience. All right. My offline data Inside this, suppose you have many leads from lead forms details like name, number, email, ID. So you can put that data here and you can upload it within this file. Now here, we've already given this file a name and accepted the policies. Since this is a custom audience and we are using someone's data, so we have to follow some terms and conditions. Then click next. Now as you can see here, everything is okay, it's all correct, the email address and everything else is showing up. Import and create. Upload and process. Your customer list is hashed and uploaded. We'll click on done. Now look here, I'm clicking on my offline data. This means that I have successfully created my custom audience here. Now just think. Let's suppose that if you have many such businesses and e-commerce businesses and many other kinds of businesses which generate data daily. Means you have data from two types of customer. First, your actual customers who have bought, and second are those who registered but haven't converted. So you can make separate lists for both these types of customers, show them ads, do remarketing and target other audiences similar to them. So think how useful is this feature, right? This is very useful. I hope this video was helpful. You've learned it well and will practice it. Thank you.